Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Up and At It. I think today is going to be a big day for planting some annuals. I got this Sweet Taffy Mix Easy Wave Petunias seeds. I got those from Harris Seeds. I bought 100. I want to say they were $24.99. I will put the link in the description box below. However, I'm not affiliated with them. So come along with me as I get a whole bunch of stuff planted today. The first thing I'm going to do is top off these two planters. I'm using a nice mix from a local nursery called Schwartz Nursery. They make their own mix for pots, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's light and fluffy. This Easy Wave Petunia mix consists of a creamy yellow, a solid pink, and a pink with a creamy yellow center. And I'm also putting in Proven Winners Angel Face Super White, and that will be my tall element. Next, I'm going to fill up these hanging baskets. They're wire hanging baskets, and I got these black inserts at Amazon. I thought black was a little bit unusual. I think they are slightly short, but they won't show that they're short for too long once these Wave Petunias take over. So let's go ahead and get those filled up with soil and put some plants in there as well. Now let's go over to the swimming pool and put a plant in each of the planters at the end of the pool. And here we are out at the pool with 3 planters that I have at the end of our pool. So there you have it. For the rest of the video, enjoy some pictures of some other petunias throughout the garden.
I think that'll look nice.
Have a beautiful day.
We have my head
Don't
back
forget
there
to
up against the
like,
pool house
comment,
wall.
and subscribe.